Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Shivanthi, at Live, Laugh, Love, Polish. That's a mouthful. It's an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and at Nail Gems. I'm going to be using Low and Away from Bases Loaded Lacquer as my base coat. Yep, I got some painted desert tips out again today. And we're going to do the decorations right here on these little stands and then apply them to the nails. Here is Bases Loaded Lacquer, special batch number 28. Isn't that pretty? It's one of those pretty uglies. I love it. This one is chocked full of glitter. It's got hollow glitter in it, little bitty ones, bigger ones, and I love this. This is my kind of pretty ugly polish. I love it. I mean, just junkified with it. So we're going in and getting our second coats on all the nail tips. And I love doing my collabs this way because I can do a little bit, walk away, let it dry really good, not worry about bumping it and messing it up. So y'all just bear with me until I get my nails growed out. So here we go with some more of that yumminess. I'm going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down because we got some more playing, because our theme today, I forgot to mention at the beginning, is glitter. Glitter, glitter. So we've got a base polish full of glitter, and we're going to do some more glittering. Yep. I'll be using Pure Ice Frost Finish over these now that they're dry, because I want it to be a frosty, you know, non-sticky, sticky, tacky, whatever coat on it, because we're going to be doing some of those powder glitters. I'll be using Lena's Twirls and Swirls 01, and I'm definitely using that image right there because it's calling my name. I got out a cube stamper, and here is the Aqua, Neon Aqua Sticky Stamping Polish from SheModern. Got my H. La Coaster scraper in play today. And that's that Maniology Cube Stamper, I believe. I don't know. I believe it is. So we're going to apply that to the nail. I'm going to set it to the side. And I clean off my stamper on a lint roller. And the plate gets cleaned with some acetone. And we're going to go with this again. Now, again, love this sticky stamping polish because I got plenty of time to work here. I am not in a rush. And I love it. And there we go. Cleaning that stamper off again. Cleaning the plate off again. And we're just plopping along here. Before I forget, there should be a hashtag down below and a list of participants that are also helping our friend celebrate her birthday over there at Live, Love, Laugh, Life, Laugh, Love, Polish. Goodness gracious, it's Live, Laugh, Love, Polish. Whew. So we're going to have a list of them down in the description box if you'd like to go check out the other manicures. They're going to be glitterified. You might want to go check it out. I'm already loving this just with the stamp on it, but wait till you see what I do. So I'm cleaning everything up with the acetone. My plate, my little stampy mat, my card, and everything. I'm using the Hollow Aqua glitter powder, pixie powder from SheModern, and I'm just tapping some out over the, now I got paper towel underneath me to catch my mess, but I am tapping this powder out onto the stamped nails. We're just going to make sure we get them all covered a little bit, you know, get some of that glittery goodness, that hollow glittery goodness out here. And then I take my finger and I tap around, moving and making that stuff stick down, making it, you know, jump on that stamped image and take that shape and form of what has been stamped down. All right, looky tip, tip, tap, tap, tap. It's like tip tapping. And I am getting some of that extra that's falling off down below. I'm just wiping it up on my finger, and now I'm going to clean my finger off on my sticky roller, my lint roller. You can use a piece of tape. You can get up and go wash your hands. And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just dust off any excess because I'm fixing to top coat them and I don't want that. Now, I did let these dry before I started this brushing. I let that glitter sit on them and dry. And then now I'm getting all crazy with the brush, getting all that excess off because I want nice crisp lines. So today I'm going to top these with Seche Vite. And look at the magic. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty in my mind, in my eyes. All right, so now to put them on my nails. So I pull it off the stand and I get the blue sticky tack off of it. Y'all, this is some new glue or sticky tack, so it's sticking like really good. I got a piece stuck up in there. Got to get that out of there. And I like using these this way with the little glue tabs on the nail because I can take them off and reuse them. So there we go. This is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this crazy one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.